So right now we will be taking some more clips. So hope you guys like the video. We'll come again with some more videos with him. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be showing you the resort where we are staying. So this is the resort, Nature Top Hill Resort.
Sure.
কোথায় আরো ছবি তুলবে
তুলবো না
কোথায়
এই দিকটা এই
ওকে
ভিডিওটা ভালো করে
Say hi.
Hello.
So this is the resort where we are staying in. This is the entrance and তুমি এখন আসবে?
আমি আসছি পেছনে আসছি
And this is the path. So right now we were just going out to take some clicks and yeah. So this is the entrance, guys. Just have a look. It's such a beautiful view and it's greenery everywhere. So this is just a ground floor path and I'll be going this is another. This is the restaurant where we can have lunch, breakfast and dinner. So there you can see the Kanchenjunga view, but it's right now cloudy. So yeah. Again going to top floor. So these are the suite rooms. And that's our room 1 or 2. This one is our room. So this floor has all the suite rooms which can accommodate 3 people, as you know. And the second floor we have double bedrooms. I'll show you. আসছি আমি ওখানে একটু ভিডিওটা তুলে আসছি 2 মিনিট এখানে হ্যাঁ 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 ঠিক আছে So these are the double bedrooms, which means it has 4 houses over here. So these are the few more guests. So this floor contains suite rooms and also this contains double bedrooms. So each cottage has four four people. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 people can be accommodated. So if you guys will come with your family, they can always occupy this space. And this is that restaurant. That's all guys about this resort, Nature Top Hill Resort. So right now my hubby is calling. Let's see what he's up to.